I'm Aldous, new customer of Jason Tamon for this all new, not all new, but brand new 2024 Montero GLS 80 White Diamond. So, bakit si Jason yung kailangan yung piliin out of the other sales agent there? Si Jason, dun sa process namin ng pag-ayos ng papers and approval, ang daming workaround even though sometimes nagkakaroon ng problem, pero si Jason hindi naubusan ng workaround. So yung tao na yan na sobrang tiyaga, sobrang masipag, hindi kayo iiwanan niya, na-update kayo niya, unlike any other sales agent na kausap ko din for the Montero, di ko na sasabihin, but within NCR and also Central Luzon. So but Jason here from Mitsubishi Abad Santos, hindi kayo papabayaan yan. Okay? God bless everyone. Thank you, Sir Jason.
Okay na.